Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, one of the safest cities in the country. Welcome to Puerto Vallarta, a breathtaking coastal city that blends stunning ocean views with the charm of an authentic Mexican fishing town. Summers can be warm, but evening rains bring a refreshing coolness, keeping the landscape lush and green, and winters long, warm, and absolutely perfect. It's no wonder so many snowbirds, retirees, families, and digital nomads, mostly from Canada and the US, choose Puerto Vallarta as their home away from home. Whether you are here to escape the cold, embrace a laid-back lifestyle, or start a new chapter, this city has something for everyone. With a strong expat community and an incredible food scene, Puerto Vallarta is more than just a vacation spot. It's an amazing place to live. Today, we're on a mission to find affordable rentals in Puerto Vallarta. With a budget of 10,000 pesos, around 500 USD or 700 Canadian dollar every month. But is it possible to find a centrally located apartment at this price? Let's find out. Looking to rent or buy in Puerto Vallarta? Feel free to reach out to my husband Roddy. He's a licensed realtor in Texas and has been helping people find their dream homes here in Puerto Vallarta area. His contact info is on the screen and in the description. Our client today is a single woman with 2 small dogs. She doesn't have a car, so she needs a central location, a furnished 1 or 2 bedrooms apartment, no studios, easy access to bus stop, the beaches, and the Malecon, a quieter, safe neighborhood. Can we find something that checks all the boxes within her budget? Let's take a look at 5 options. All of those apartments allow pets. Most include water, some includes Wi-Fi, but electricity bills is not included. Apartment 1, Ocean View in Single de Diciembre. Rent 10,000 pesos a month. Lease month to month. Pros: located in Single de Diciembre, a charming part of the old town. Just 6 blocks, about 10 minutes walk from the beach, and 20 minutes from the Malecon. Surrounded by restaurants, cafes, shops, and the Casale supermarket, one of the biggest local supermarkets in Puerto Vallarta. Breathtaking ocean view. You can see it from your bed, your balcony, and even while walking. Public pool and the deck, a rare find in this price range. Cons: small living and a dining area. Located on a hillside, so there's an uphill walk to get home. Ongoing construction next door, which may cause noises during the day. Apartment 2, Casa Azul, the Blue House. The rent is 10,000 pesos a month. Pros: a standard-alone house with a big front yard. Very rare find at this price. Near the stadium, Puerto Vallarta's biggest sports complex, featuring basketball courts, indoor and outdoor, soccer fields, baseball and softball fields, volleyball courts, tennis courts, 400-meter running track, skate park and outdoor gym. Close to the supermarket, Soriana, and the local market, Mercado. Safe, family-friendly neighborhood with a traditional Mexican charm. Cons: no air conditioning in the living room. It's very common at this price point. The floor in the living area is slightly uneven due to the tree roots. Apartment 3, newly remodeled near the stadium. Rent 12,000 pesos a month. Lease 6 months. The owner is selling this building, which with 3 newly remodeled apartments. Pros: newly remodeled with AC in both the bedroom and the living room. Washer and dryer hookups. The landlord is willing to add a dining table and offer a shorter lease. Super convenient location. It's about 5 to 10 minutes walk to the beach, 20 minutes to the Malacon, near bus stops for easy transportation. Cons: living area is a bit dark, though it has the ceiling lights. Nearby construction could cause some daytime noise. Apartment 4, spacious 2-bedroom on a quiet street. Rent 10,500 pesos a month. Lease 1 year. Pros: spacious 2-bedroom apartment in a quiet, family-friendly neighborhood. Located just a few blocks from the stadium, with easy access to amenities, well maintained older building with a peaceful atmosphere. Cons: limited natural lights makes the interior a bit dark. Downstairs neighbor has a large dog that barks at people passing by, but is brought inside at night. Apartment 5, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms across from the stadium. Rent 12,000 pesos a month, includes Wi-Fi and water. Lease a year. Pros: spacious living area with a balcony. Central location, right across from the stadium. And it has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, which is very spacious for this price range. Cons: no TV included, so you will need to bring your own or buy new one. No AC in the living area. Older bathroom tiles. Close to the softball field, so it can get loud during games and tournaments. So finally, which one did the client pick? Our client is still looking, so her apartment hunting continues. If it were you, which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. Looking for your dream homes in Puerto Vallarta? Feel free to reach out. We'd love to help you find the perfect place. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more videos on life in Mexico and real estate in Puerto Vallarta. See you next time.